Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Troy back with another video. And in this video, stay tuned because I want to show you how you can earn a potential 6 figures a year using iBoomerang as your business. So what is iBoomerang? iBoomerang is a technology company, and in this company, we have a travel platform. That travel platform allows people to book wholesale prices on hotels, resorts, timeshares, cruises, car rentals. Shoot, we even have gift cards on the site. There's multiple things for a lot of people. So whatever you would like to do, we have it. And we're increasing our products. So in iBoomerang, we only make money when the customer saves money. How genius is that? The company says this: when a person travels, we're gonna be able to save them on average $600, okay? And when we save them $600, the person who referred that person, that customer, they would actually make $300, okay? So think about that. For every customer, we're thinking that the customers are gonna travel one time a year. And when they travel once a year, you'll make an average of $300 because they'll save an average of $600. They save $600, you make half, which is $300. The name of our booking platform is called igoforless.com. So it's an invite-only site, so you're only able to get in if a TSA, which is what I am, a travel savings ambassador, gives you a code. So if you would like one of those codes, look at the links below. I'll leave it there for you in the description. And on top of that, what I want to do right now is I want to show you some examples of what the income could potentially look like. Now, there's no financial claims on this. This is my disclaimer. I don't want you to think that I'm guaranteeing you anything. You get out of it what you put into it yourself. There's no guarantees. You have to put in the work in order to get back the money. But if you do put in the work and you bless others with savings, you will get something back in return because they're using the service to save money.
So, okay, guys, this is what it looks like when you're in the presentation and you're able to control the numbers. So as you can see, the number of customers says 10 right here. Okay. Now, remember, 10 customers would be, I want to say, easy to get. We would help you do that. Why am I saying that? Because the customer does not have to pay a dime. It's free for the customers to use. Okay. So with that being said, we help people get 10 customers a month. That's the goal, 10 customers a month. But what if you were only able to get 10 for the entire year, okay? On the right-hand side, the income would be 3,000, okay? So think about that. What would you have to do at your job to increase your income another $3,000 a year, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the number that I actually reached. I actually just finished helping 97 people save on their travel, okay? So helping 97 people has just put me in a position to earn $29,000, $29,100 to be exact, uh, per year. Now, I would have to change professions. That's what it feels like in terms of the company and everything that I work for. Like an extra 29,000, I would have to get promoted probably twice, okay, for me to make that extra. But me helping 97 people save money has put me in this position. But just to hit round numbers, what if you help 100 people? What if you help one person every other day get save money on their travels? That'd be more than 100 because it's 365 days in a year. But think about that. If you can hit 100 people and help them save money every time they travel, you get half of what they save. The potential on average would be $30,000 a year. Let that soak in. That's incredible. Okay. But my personal goal is this 1,000. You see, at 1,000 people, the potential is 300,000 per year. Now, what if we got that halfway wrong? This is why you watch the video. Okay. This is why you click on that thumbnail that I posted. 500 customers. If I got 1,000 customers and I got half of that wrong, half the people don't even use it, right? Let's say only half actually use the product, and they went on a vacation for a week. They saved $600, and because they saved $600, I made $150,000 per year, all for helping someone. This is incredible, guys. So how many people can you help? How many people do you know that like to go on vacation? How many people you know that might want to go on vacation and can't because it costs too much? And now you can be in a position to actually help them save money. So they might go on vacation a little more just because you helped them. And then on top of all of that, through this, they'll earn points. So think about it, guys. What are the possibilities? What if you got 50 customers and it took you a year to do it? That puts you in a position to get $15,000 per year. Think about that. So this income potential, guys, is real. I'm gonna put something crazy up because you gotta have vision, right? That's 10,000 customers right there. 10,000. I'm sure it's possible. I mean, out of a sea of over 2 million people in Brooklyn alone, 10,000 is a small amount of people. It's not a lot of people in comparison to the big spectrum of things. The big 10,000 is not a lot of people. According to the census alone, there's millions of people in New York City where I live. What's wrong? Why can't I get 10,000 people? What if I got half of that wrong, right? And 5,000 people actually use the product. That's a potential of $1.5 million. Now, see, I got vision, guys. I'm gonna start off with my goal of 1,000, and then once I hit that goal, I'm gonna shoot for the stars. But my goal, before my trip, was to hit 100 customers. Right now, I'm at 97, and I'm currently basically a month ahead of schedule in terms of the goals that I set about 4 months ago. So this is a blessing, guys.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you want any more information on iBoomerang, I'll put everything in the description below. If you want to join iBoomerang, remember once again, it's only $50 to get started, okay? And then you get 5 boomerangs a month to give out to people. If you want to play with the numbers yourself, you want to check the numbers out, you want to see what's going on, put in your own numbers, because I'm not psychic. I don't know what you see for yourself. So if you see a different number in mine, you can click the other link below. It's going to be the I Decide presentation. I'll put it in the description, and you can go through that presentation and you can get to the numbers and you can play with it yourself, okay? Now, should you get started in iBoomerang, you're gonna have my full support, okay? And also, the company does a training every Saturday morning, okay? So it teaches you how to build your business. It's phenomenal training, top-notch training. You got diamond executives in the company pouring out all the knowledge on you that they can in doses so they can help you grow your business. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. I want you to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time I release a video. Remember, I'm still on this 30-day challenge, don't forget that. So it's gonna be another video coming to you tomorrow at 6:30. That's another thing. For this entire challenge, I'm putting out videos 6:30 every day, Monday through Sunday, every day, okay? So tomorrow there'll be another video at 6:30, so subscribe so you can see what that's about. I'm doing a little bit of different things. I'll have one on a vacation or a trip that I took. I have one maybe sitting outside. I have one in the house where I'm at right now. And then might do something in front of the computer and show you some hands-on thing in the back office of iBoomerang. So listen guys, stay tuned. Hang out with me for a little while. Comment, let's see what you want to, tell me what you want to know about so I'll know what to do a video about. How about that? So this is Troy again. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, peace.